So these ridge tiles here, not happy about these at all. These are all loose, so where the water's going to be running down here, because these are slightly at an angle, it's going to be popping, and then it's going to be coming here, which is what we don't want. So we're going to be sorting this out today. And what's happening is where the ridge tiles sit on here, part of it, and it sits this way, when the rain's hitting this, it's running underneath, and this is the roof underneath. If you look here, this red terracotta, that's a bardo. So what's happening is the water's running into here, running down into this roof space, and then dropping into the false ceiling that we've got. Okay, that's all the gaps filled underneath all the tiles. This is a low expanding, especially formulated for bricks and techers and roof tiles and stuff. Now the stage of putting the tiles back on. Okay, so there's a special foaming we're doing again, so we're always back filling the end of it where we're putting them down, where they scallop on each other. This will not come off. This is 100%. As I say, this is what they're for. So once we fill back to it there, we can then place a new one on top of this. Now I've had all the ridge tiles off, foamed them all in, and then all the ridges tiles there with a waterproofing cola, and then for good measure, I've gone over it with the white rubberized silicone paint as well. So I'm pretty confident that's not leaking somewhat, and I've clipped all your cables back up here and tied them. So yeah, we're done here on the roof.